Alright, so hey Facebookers, fan page, Instagram, Burritos on YouTube. I know you might be wondering like what go on for all of the Dirty Berry Show videos them, but yeah, all I could think kinda reach me one day. Basically it was Rob at home. I little I don't know if I guess describe it, but basically I was home around 10 o'clock. My manager showed me. I went on the road, go have Burger King. I came back in. Either there we are watching the TV, CNN, yeah, check your WhatsApp messages and all kind of stuff. So at some point, this is around like probably about 1 o'clock now, I was in bed. Me a WhatsApp my friends and me a book. A book a go along so. And me kind of jump up and kind of like, me need to go and lock off the TV now. Hold on, the phone all a ring. And on my way to go and lock off the TV, I noticed that a lizard was on the wall. So I'm gonna get up now for a clad lizard now and say I need to go draw for one of my leather shoes them. And as I decide for going in the closet, so it's a knife that jumped out towards my face. And I end up just kind of drop back on the bed and then reach the ground and I start to back off and I never really remember much that happened after that. I just kind of know at some point I end up reach and twist the lock and came out like a darn idiot. Run out and I scream, help, 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 help. Nobody to help me. I saw a King Alarm vehicle and then I run go outside the front of the gate and then I shout. It eventually kind of came, contacted the landlord, police came, and that was that. In the end, found out say I lost I was robbed off my, what was it? I was robbed off my laptop, the laptop that I've had for about 4 years, the laptop that I've been using to edit all of my videos from test and time till then. That laptop that I won because my parents couldn't afford it and they enter one credit union, Zap Jamaica competition, and I won it as a first prize gift because I did a video and they thought it was the best. And so, there's a lot of sentimental value and attachment after that laptop. And for just say I lose it now and then a position where I'm not able to edit, it hurts me. And especially as a little young youth where I try to set up things for himself. And my phone where more even call it like a little iPhone because it's hype for me because it can serve a business purpose. You get me? Before then the only hot phone I ever have was a Nokia 3310. And because of Samsung I was able to then basically give me a sponsorship at some point and I was able to have a decent Samsung S6. I'm a treasure the phone, I'm a value it, take care of my got fired. I could do my little videos them and show all kind of stuff. And for some of us get robbed like that, like in my house. And the scariest part about it is not knowing whether or not I was in reality. That was a scary thing. Just like a knife jump out at you. And you don't know what to do because you don't know whether or not you're in a dream or real life. I plan for everything in Jamaica. I plan for so much. When I'm on the road, I know so I don't carry phone, I don't carry a certain amount of money. I plan for everything. But the only thing I never planned for was what would I do if something happened within your home. Because to me, I'm stupid enough to believe, say, home was a place that is safe. Once you reach in the walls of your house, everything alright. Nothing bad gonna happen. But how stupid was I, So that is it, and that explains why there isn't any social media account or any more videos. I've been hearing, I posted on Facebook and I've been hearing people say, set up a GoFund and stuff. And not really my type of style that, but let's just see because I really want to get started doing videos and talk about, everything that I want to talk about. Thanks so much, Burritos, for the support. Thanks so much for the kind words that I've been getting. And, just continue to keep me in your prayers, alright? Big up and enough love. Bye. How you like all this?